Hello everyone. So today we are going to do another interview question. The question was asked to me in the placement. The question says that we are given elements and those elements we are going to store in the stack, and what we have to do is we need to find the maximum element till that position. Okay, for example, if I am pushing in the stack like this is the example. I am pushing 8, 5, 9, 10, and 8. So at every position I should be able to tell uh, what is the maximum element in the stack present there. Like for example, I am having 8 first. Okay, this is the stack. First I am inserting 8, then we are having 5. So at first we are going to have maximum as the same as the original number. Okay, so for 8 we are going to have 8, for 5 we are going to have 8, because from 5 and 8 maximum number is 8. From 9, 5, 8 we have maximum 9. From 10, 9, 5, 8 we have maximum 10. From 8, 9, 10, 11 we have maximum 10. So at every position we need to find the maximum element present in the stack at that position, till that position. Okay, like for example, if I pop 8, okay, so maximum number present should be 10. Okay, if I pop 10, maximum, if I pop 10, then maximum number I should get in O1 is 9. Correct. So this is what we have to do. So in the solution is, see, we need to do this in O of 1. Okay, so what we are going to do is, as we are getting the numbers, we are going to store in the stack in increasing order. For example, I get 8 first. Okay, so 8 will be inserted directly into the stack. Then I got 5, so I am going to check 5 whether 5 is greater than the top element or not. If it is greater than, then we are going to push it directly, but if it is not greater than, it is less than 8, then we are going to push 8 again. Okay, did you get my point? We are going to push the 8 again. Okay, it is compulsory to push the 8 again. If you don't do this, what will happen is you are going to pop 5, and instead you will be popping 8, because 8 was not there, 5 we did not insert it. So what we have to do, if 5 is greater than 8, then well, it is good, we are going to insert it directly into the stack. But it is not, if it is not, then we are going to push back the top element again. Okay, so let me write the code again. So what we are having, int n, we are going to have stack. Okay, int st. So actually it was a interview question, so they did not ask to code, they just asked the what is the algorithm, what I'm going to use it. Okay, so I'm going to insert n elements for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and suppose I am inserting x, int x. Okay, if stack dot size is empty, stack dot size is 0, then I'm going to directly push the element x. Okay, but if it is not, then I'm going to check the, if what I'm going to check, I'm going to check the first top element st dot top. If it is less than equals to a of I, then I have no issue and I'm going to push it directly into the stack a of I. But if it is not, then I'm going to push back again the top element st dot push st dot top. I hope it is clear. Okay, so this will be the code of how to get maximum number in O of 1. Okay, we can directly get the top element, and with top element will be the maximum among all the elements present in the stack. I hope it is clear. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.